Hi student, myself Dr. Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्था महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, affiliated Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Today discuss about FYBSc choice based credit system syllabus, semester first, paper first. Name of the title of paper: Introduction to Physical Geography. Paper first is Geomorphology. Unit number 3, Plate Tectonics. Point number first or subtitle, subpoints: Theory of Plate Tectonic, part number first. Okay, now come to the points. Theory of Plate Tectonics. Introduction: the rigid lithosphere, slab and solid crust layer are technically called plate. The whole mechanism of the evolution, nature and motion of plate and resultant reactions is called plate tectonics. The word tectonics derived from Greek word tectonicus, meaning building or constructions. The term plate tectonics was first used by John Tuzo Wilson. He was Canadian geologist and geoscientist. Plate tectonics, born in 24 October 1908, Ottawa in Canada, and died in 15th April 1993, Toronto in Canada. And another, but the theory of plate tectonic was published by William John Morgans in 1967. He is American scientist, geoscientist, a geophysics scientist who has made seminal contribution to this theory of plate tectonics. Born in 10th October 1935, and the rate of movements, the plate is not same. It varies from 1 to 10 centimeter per month or the thousands of year. Tectonic process including the plate movements, slab duration, the of crust, fold, fault, upwelling of magmas, earthquake, etc. Plate tectonics is based on two scientific concepts. First is continental drift. The total layer of land masses, the drifted away, and another is sea floor spreading. Volcanic material come to the earth surface and the material spread continuously. So theory created. Theory is plate tectonic is conventional, is like a boiling pot. When the heated of the soup rise to the surface, spread and being cool, and then the sink back to bottom. Yeah, the cool water, the sink that here bottom, and hotted water again upward directions, the pot where it is reached and rise again. Yeah, continuously this process. Okay, the same principle in interior of the earth or earth crust. John Tuzo Wilson combined idea of continental rifts and sea floor spreading into plate tectonics. Okay, this. Yeah, the molten material when come to the earth's surface, and this time the divergence, the both sides, opposite direction, the material, molten material, volcanic material come to the earth's surface, and this material divergent this side and this side, so the spread of plate. Okay, here divergent, and here cooling material, the plate is goes to under, submerge under, and this place is rigid to another plates. Yeah, condensation म्हणजे this process is continuously in interior of the earth. Okay, now principle. Lithosphere, spheric plates or continental and oceanic float on the top of the upper mantle. Yeah, the crust reacts to being loaded and unloaded because it floats on the mantle. Type of loading, glaciations, sediments, depositions, type of unloading, receding, the glaciers, erosion. Okay, now the principle of this theory, the first principle is the crust of the earth is accumulations of major and minor plates, major and minor plates. These are rigid, but the shifting plate varying size. In this size, this is one plate, this is another plate, this is the here another plates, is another plates, various colors give the, yeah, is one plates, is another plates, small plates, is this plates is small, another here is small plates, here is small plates. Okay, various size. The plate of the earth are unstable right from their the existence on the earth. As a resultly, they change their geographical position in the geological past. The geological past, the position is last lecture we study in Wegener Trip Continental. Wegener called only one megacontinent. This is called Pangaea. And then during some period, they shifted away each other, the plates. Okay. Now, third principle. The plates are kinetic parts of the outer shell. Yeah, outer shell of the earth, and these in constant relative motion. The plates are converge or apart because cause and drifting of continents like plates. Now, explanations. According to plate tectonic theory, the lithosphere is made of 7 major and 20 minor plates. The major plates are the American plates, the African plates, Eurasian plates, the Antarctica plates, the Indian, Indo-Australian plates, and the Pacific plates. The boundaries of these are found along the mid-oceanic ridge, ocean deep chain of islands, and mountain chain. These plates are formed of the crust and the upper layer of the mantle. The upper part of islands of plates from the continental and oceanic crust. These plates are initially but slowly moving with the rate of to 16 centimeter per year. These movements is due to the upwelling of material from the asthenosphere along the mid-oceanic ridge. These material move along horizontal directions and descends into asthenosphere. Here, one plate is rigid and another plate is asthenosphere. Move to asthenosphere near the oceanic trenches. As the plate move in geological period, the continents that lie on them also change their geographical positions. The various aspects of the plate tectonic in 1968 anew the continental drift and displacement or considered the reality on the basis of plate tectonic. Now, it may be highlighted that tectonically plate boundaries. Here, the plate boundaries. This is plate and plate, this boundary, outer side, are most important because all tectonic activities occur along the plate's margin. Earthquake, volcanic activities, mountain building and faulting, etc. These activities is created by plate boundaries. Volcanic eruptions, both the plates, the middle, the cracks, volcanic and the disturbance of plates. This time the create earthquake and volcanic material come to earth surface, etc. Thus, the plate margins are the most important in the study of this theory. There are 3 types of plate margin or boundaries. It is first type, diversion, when the molten material come to the earth surface and this time the plate divergent each other, म्हणजे एकमेकापासून त्या दूर जातात. Here these plates move here and another plate move here, opposite direction. Divergent boundaries are called correcting or constructive plate or move away from each other and new plate material divert from the mantle and added to the lithosphere. Yeah, added lithosphere. New lithosphere create. The divergent boundaries is represented by the mid-oceanic ridge. Another is convergent. When one plate is rigid, the another plate and another plate is divergent to under asthenosphere. Okay, yeah. Both plates come together. Above figure, the both plates move opposite direction and here move to each one. Convergent boundaries also called consuming or destructive plate are approaching each other. These boundaries are represented by the oceanic trench. Islands are systems or the subduction zone. Subduction means खालच्या दिशेला त्या ठिकाणी डायव्हर्जन झोन. Yeah, this is the subduction. Yeah, where one of the colliding plate descends into the mantle and destroyed. When they collide in the mantle and they destroyed because of the interior temperature is the highest temperature and the temperature they melt these plates. So this plate is destroyed. Another, not directions here opposite direction or come together, but plates horizontal, forward and backward. One plate is the forward and another plate is backward directions. Yeah, this plate is forward and his plate is forward. Conservative plate boundary. Conservative lithosphere is neither created or nor destroyed. Here create material create or plate is create and another year plate is destroyed, but here not create as well as destroyed. The plate move laterally relative to each other. These plate boundaries are represented by transform fault. Yeah, transform fault. Okay. This is the so many plates, 7 major plates, North America, South America, yeah, Australia, Eurasian, Indian plates, yeah, Indo-Australian plates, etc. And the Antarctica plates, and more than 20 the small plates, minor plates. This is the major plates, 7 major plate and more than 20 minor plates. Yeah, so many minor plates. Okay, Fuka plates, Cocos plates, etc. What are the tectonic plates? The tectonic plate, lithospheric plates. Yeah, continental crust. This is called lithospheric crust. The 100-kilometer thick surface of the earth, continental crust and part of the upper mantle. Yeah, upper mantle, it is a result and brittle fractures to produce earthquake, etc. Now another is asthenosphere. Here the plate is divergent to asthenosphere and destroyed. Here is the hotter upper mantle. Here so many hot because the temperature is highest below the lithosphere. Plates can flow like silly putty, and it is a viscosity solid, not liquid. Three basic type of plate boundaries. First is divergent. Now before previous slides we see the divergent plate boundaries. Here to see divergent. Yeah, this is the divergent. These plates move here and this side, and these plates is move this side. So the divergent and create new crust. Okay. Now convergent. Convergent here. These regions, the convergent. Yeah. Both plates come together, and this time the one plate is move downward direction and another plate is rigid another plates, and so the create a mountain chain. Yeah. Okay. South America. Then transform, not a create and not a destroyed. Last previous slides we seen. Yeah. Strange. Transform the plate boundaries. This is the transform plate boundaries. Yeah. Now some parts of next video we will see plate tectonic theory. Now today we here stop the lecture. This is the reference book of today's lectures. Photo source is www.google.com, and the some type of material collect from www.wikipedia.org. Okay, thank you so much.